Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, konnichiwa and welcome to YouTube channel. Let's go learn. Today we are going to learn about the C programming beginner level, and for doing C programming you need this software called CodeBlocks. I'm going to run this software CodeBlocks. Yes, let's wait for it to start. The software has been started, and to do C programming, to create a new file, then empty file, and this is where you write the code. But before writing the code, you need to save this file, and we're going to save this file. Click save and give a name, a file. I'm going to give this file's name C prog begin pc. You have to, after writing the name, you have to give .c because it defines that you are doing C programming, and then save the program. Voila, the program has been saved, and now start writing. Now at first you have to write hashtag include include hashtag include, then give two quotations, and inside that write stdio dot h. Here hashtag include is a preprocessed directive and stdio.h is a header file. Now you have to write the main function name, integer main, then give two first bracket, and inside, and now you have to give two second brackets. Inside this bracket you have to write the whole program. Now let's start writing. At first I'm going to write printf, printf, and inside this printf I am going to give a double quotation, and inside that double quotation let's write something. I'm going to write let's let's go learn, learn. And for ending that operation you have to give a semicolon, and now the program is almost finished. Now just you have to write return 0 and end it with a semicolon. Now the program is almost finished. Now I'm going to run that program. For running that program you have to click here build and run, and let's run it. Waiting for the program to build. The program has been started, and guys, see that the what we have written in the printf, it is showing in this compiler. Let's go learn. Voila, you have become a C programmer now.